Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are talking mics and in particular the DJI Mic Mini. So this little mic is what I use to film all of the content on my iPhone. And the reason being is that I believe that the audio is a really important part of these videos and making them the best that I can. And that's why I bought the DJI Mic Mini. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you about why I think this brilliant little mic is something that you might want to add to your content setup. But before I go into some of the more details and features of it, I wanted to kind of just walk through a couple of the use cases that I've found this really helps me with. So first off, other than it improving my audio, is the fact that it is really compact and I don't have to have a big setup on my desk. It's something that is portable. I mean, it comes in this lovely little case, which we'll talk about in a second. So it can be put into my bag. I can take it out. And like I say, it's compact and takes up no space at all. It also reduces a lot of friction for me when it comes to editing. So I don't have to sync audio and video clips together. I literally just put this on, plug it into my phone, and the audio is with the video. There's no separation between the audio and the video clip. I can just pop it into the editing suite and off you go. So for me, that's a really big win as somebody who is still relatively new to editing and trying to make it as simple as I can. So those are my two main use cases. But now let's talk about the mic in terms of features and so on. But first I want to cover what actually comes in the box with this. So you get two of these little mics that come in this box. And in the box, you'll see you've got the two spaces for the mics. You've also got the receiver, which is currently in my phone. And you've got the little dongle as well, which sits in the box. You also get alongside it a carry case, which comes along with two windshields as well as a couple of cables. So you get a audio jack and you also get your charging cable. But yeah, and the case is actually padded, so it gives it some protection, which is really nice. So the packaging and how it's displayed is all really lovely. So that's what you get in the box. Now, when it comes to setup, this is one of the things I struggled with at the start. I'm not going to lie. I had to have a little bit of a fiddle around. But once you get to have done it a couple of times, it becomes really easy. So you can use the receiver, as we've talked about, which plugs straight into your phone and connects to your mic. And you can see it's connected by the green on the mic and also on the receiver. And like I said, that's really easy. It syncs in the box itself, and then you can plug it in. And sometimes you might have to, reconnect it, but generally 9 times out of 10, it syncs up pretty quickly, pretty well. You've also got the option of Bluetooth with this. I personally don't use Bluetooth on it, and that's because I find that the quality is better when you use the receiver. And because the receiver is so quick and easy to set up, 9 times out of 10, I don't need to use Bluetooth. I suppose a reason for Bluetooth is if you need to have the USB-C available. So if you're like using Apple Log, for instance, you might want to pop a external storage, but I'm not, so I don't. And hence, it's easy enough for me to use the receiver. So yeah, it's really simple and really easy. And that's really what sells this mic for me, and I think hopefully for you out there. So in terms of the important stuff, so how does it sound? So I think it sounds pretty good. Most of my videos for the last few, at least maybe 6 videos, have been filmed using this particular mic. I have used the iPhone's mics previously, and I'll cut to that shortly. And they're generally okay, but this really does elevate it for me. So let's just cut to another bit of footage now, just to give you a bit of a sample of what it sounds without using the mic. Okay, so this is recording using just the iPhone mic. As you can tell, it's a little bit more tinny. So yeah, this is what it sounds like without using the DJI Mic Mini. And then we're back to using the mic. So, hopefully you've been able to tell that there is a bit of an increase in quality, maybe more than a bit. And yeah, so for me, that was the key thing: simplicity, and it sounded really good. And that was, yeah, that's it really. So, who is this for? So, I think it's for people like me who are starting out in content creation, making YouTube videos or Instagram, whatever you are doing content wise that is video, that are looking for less friction and looking for something that is just going to fit in easily. I have a 9 to 5 that sits along this, so having things that are easy and make my life easier really important. And most people who are probably watching this are doing the same. Um, I mean, it is also for other, bigger creators. I see them wear this mic and use this mic, and they all rave about it because it is so good and so easy to use. So really, it's for anybody that creates content. I think anybody who wants to have an easy setup and something that's going to easily fit into their workflow and make that workflow easier. So yeah, definitely if you are looking to keep it simple, or you're just looking for a really good quality mic, then I'd certainly say that this is a good one to look at. So what is my verdict and final thoughts on this? Well, I think you can probably tell I really do like this mic, and I'm really glad that I paid the £80 that I think it is for this. And I will pop a link in the description for you all so you can check it out and make a decision on whether you want to buy it or not. But I personally would definitely recommend it. It's really helped elevate my audio and my videos, and it's fitted into my workflow seamlessly. So definitely, if that's what you're looking for in a mic and to improve your content, then I would certainly give this a look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, I'd love it if you could drop me a subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps my small channel grow. And I will catch you in the next one.